Guys, comment down below. Like if there's if you're a baker, if you're someone who bakes, like you're a professional and everything, or like someone who's just starting, let me know. How were you feeling when you made like your first cake? Like it's going out of your house, you get. Okay, so here is the thing. My friend and the husband came to visit, and they're like, Jobette, why not make a birthday cake for this friend? Like they have a friend who is celebrating a birthday and they were invited and they wanted to take something for the friend. So they're like, why not make a birthday cake so we can just take it? It might be like a good advertisement and all. I'm like, I am in. Guys, mind you, I am just recovering from illness. And I'm like, I am in. Like yesterday evening. So I went, shop for the things, came back, prepped, like baked the cakes and everything. So today I am going to be decorating it. Now this is a struggle when it comes to decorating. I am like still trying and all. I don't think it's presentable enough to sell, so I am a little bit scared. But like the way I said, bring it on, I must have guts to have like said I'm going to do this. But yeah, guys, I am so like excited to see how this turns out, and if it turns out great, I'll be so proud of myself, because the cakes taste amazing, that I know. But the icing part, because people don't get to taste the cake, before, like they look at it and they'll be like, oh, this cake looks nice, and then that's when like they can actually cut it and taste it. But decorating is as important as the baking, so which is really important. It needs to be presentable, and I'm worried, but at the same time, the cuts that made me take up this challenge, I know it will help me work it out. So yeah, let's get started, guys. I'll show you guys a little bit of the process and like the end results, because I can't afford to film content whilst doing the like baking and all that. It probably would make me confused. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's start today's challenge. It's going to be a 3-layer vanilla cake. See, I made them last night, put them in the fridge for it to farm a little bit before working with it, because it was so soft and it could easily get dummy. So I am excited to try this. And yeah, one thing I don't have is a box. Where the heck am I supposed to get a box? I went yesterday, look around shops, I don't have. So what I want to do is I'll crumb coat this cake and then chill it in the fridge and go out and look for a cake. All right, a box, so I can work with this, because I don't know how I'm going to package this to the venue if I don't have a box. So I'm about to start decorating the cake. I've already cut up the tops already, and now it's time to stack the cake. God help me. God help me. So right now, like this year, yesterday I was like so nervous to like yesterday I was nervous, like, you know, something, making something that is going out in public is different. Now that like I really like baking, you know, and I really want to get into baking in the near future as well, like to do a business and all that. But I am feeling so nervous. Like baking at home is just different, but now that my cake is about to go out, is different, you know. I've been looking at designs yesterday. When I look at one design, I'll be like, no, I can do this. Then I'll look at another one and I'll be like, nah, this is too simple. Like, I don't know, but I think going for a simpler one will be much better, so I won't create any chaos and a mess. Like, I'm really thinking, guys, wish me luck. I don't know. So I am going to look for a cake box and also gold dust, because I want to create that gold dust something because it just makes the cake look like nice. I don't know, for some reason I just love it. So I'm going to check if I can get that. Right now there are a lot of ideas going through my mind. I don't even know which one to pick. That's the thing. I don't know what to pick, but maybe I'll just go with the flow and just design whatever. But I hope it's something good, or maybe when I get home I should sketch a design. God, Lord have mercy. The colors to choose, I am confused. I don't know. It's just chaotic. You know, family, they will always support you. They'll be like, oh, it's good, it's great, it's great. But it's different when someone from the outside tastes it or like looks at it, you know. But for the taste, oh, I'm confident with the taste. But for the design, that I am not too confident about. I'm still struggling a bit, but I know I'll get there someday. Guys, that shop is the shop I was going to is closed. I don't even know where I can get the stuff, so I only hope I can get it anywhere this around, because that's the only big shop. I think there's one shop here, but I don't think they would have it. But let me see. So guys, I only managed to get a topper and also straws to down my cake, because yo, I am not taking the risk of leaving that cake like that. This shop is still not open. I don't know how I'm going to get a box and gold dust. Jeez. See, it's still closed. It has a lot of things. They sell a lot of stuff here. So I've just been told that it opens at 12. It opens at 12. So I'm going to walk around and see if I can find other shops. I'm going to walk around and see if I can find other shops that where I can get this, because to wait till 12 and I have to complete the cake. I don't know. But that bride looks so beautiful, guys. I don't know. I don't want to show her, or I'm tempted to. She looks so beautiful there, right there. Yeah. What's up, you all? So today it's the next day, and I couldn't film yesterday because time was not on my side, and I just wanted to get it over with because I was really nervous to start. But anyways, I did everything, and this is the final results, and it turned out pretty great. And yeah, I am so proud of myself for doing it. I am really happy with the outcome, and I would say there's still room for improvement, but what I am proud of myself, and I can't wait to see what designs I'll make in the near future. But for that, you'll have to subscribe to my channel, keep watching my content, follow me on this journey as I said before. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watched the video till this point, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button because it helps the video go a long way, and also don't forget to comment, it helps the video as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Until then, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.